Welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play as piano accompaniment Message in a Bottle by The Police. I have done other tutorials by The Police, so I will link those in the description. I'll sing as a reference point, and I've left where you can find the full chords and lyrics in the description as well. I do have a dinosaur temporary tattoo on my hand, so excuse that, because I was playing with my son with him this morning and I think I have to keep that on there for him. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of F sharp minor. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of F sharp minor. So these are the notes we are using. Here is middle C as a reference point, so if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. I'll teach both hands at the same time. So left hand will be blue and right hand will be orange on the top screen there. So we'll start with the intro, which is the main riff, this very famous main riff, which makes up a very large portion of the song. And we're going to break the riff between two hands. So we have C sharp in the left hand, and then the right hand's going to play G sharp and then D sharp. We call this a chord, it's based around C sharp minor add 9. So the riff is made up of all add 9 chords. And then the left hand's going to play A, and the right hand's going to play E, B. So the right hand is always playing in fifths. And then the left hand is going to play a B, and the right hand's going to play F sharp and C sharp. So, and then we have F sharp in the left hand, and in the right hand we're going to play C sharp, G sharp, A. It's up to you which fingers you use. Repeats it again. Obviously it's very quick, and if I add some pedal and refresh it every time my left hand plays a different note. So that's how we'll play the intro, the verses, and the outro as well. So I will demonstrate the intro into the verse. Just a castaway, silent left at sea. Oh, another lonely day, no one here but me. Oh, more loneliness than any man could bear. Rescue me before I fall into despair. So we play that riff 8 times for the verse and then twice for the intro. Now we're going to have a look at the chorus. So really there's only about 2 different sections to this whole song. So we have I'll send an SOS to world, I'll send an SOS to world. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets my message in a bottle, yeah. A message in a bottle, yeah. So then, I'm going to be doing like a left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right pattern in each hand. So the first chord for the chorus we have A5. So the left hand I'm going to play a low A, and then the right hand, if you can, I'm going to play A, E, A. If you can't stretch an octave, just play E and A. So we have I'll send an, and then we have D5, so D in the left hand, and then D and A in the right hand. So it's half the length that we played the A5 chord. SOS. And then we move that up to E5, so E and B, to the world, and we play that again, so back to the A5. I'll send an SOS to the world. And then we have F sharp minor. So going again in the same pattern, left, right, left, right, left, right pattern. So F sharp in the left hand. In the right hand, we're going to play F sharp minor second inversion. So that's C sharp, F sharp, A. I hope that someone gets my. So here we have D major. So D in the left hand, and then from the F sharp minor, we're just turning that C sharp into a D, root position of D major. And we do that 3 times. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine. And then we're going to play C sharp minor, first inversion in the right hand. So that's E, G sharp and C sharp. And the right hand, you can play it down here if you want to. Hold the right hand chord down. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to change that to A major. So we're just going to turn this G sharp into an A, and this gives us second inversion of A major. And then we're going to play 3 A's and then G sharp. So we got from the C sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. You do that 3 times. Message in a bottle, yeah. And then we come up and play and just hold F sharp minor. So I'm playing F sharp, C sharp in the left hand, and in the right hand I'm playing F sharp, A, C sharp, F sharp. If you can't stretch that full octave, just play A, C sharp and F sharp. Kind of splitting it a little bit as well. So that is the chorus. All the choruses are ever so slightly different from each other at the end part. So I'll just play this chorus all the way through again then. I'll send an SOS to the world. I'll send an SOS to the world. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets my message in a bottle, yeah. Message in a bottle, yeah. And then we're into the next verse, which was going to play the same as the first one. So let's continue. A year has passed since I wrote my notes. I should have known this right from the start. Only hope can keep me together. Love can mend your life, but love can break your heart. Then we're going to continue into the chorus. Most of it is the same, so I'll get to the part at the end of the chorus in a minute where it's slightly different, and then I'll teach you that bit. I'll send an SOS to the world. I'll send an SOS to the world. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine. So this next part is we're going to repeat the C sharp minor to the A 7 times. Message in a bottle, yeah. Message in a bottle, yeah. Oh, message in a bottle, yeah. Message in a bottle, yeah. We play that F sharp minor, and then we break up F sharp minor chords, so it's going. So we've got F sharp in the left hand, and then we have A, C sharp, F sharp, A, C sharp, F sharp, A, C sharp, F sharp. have that at the very end. And then we're into the next verse. We're just going to play that exactly the same as well. Walked out this morning, don't believe what I saw. 100 billion bottles washed up on the shore. Seems I'm not alone in being alone. 100 billion castaways looking for a home. And then we're going to go into the chorus, which we're going to play the same as the previous chorus. We just don't have that broken up F sharp minor chord at the end. I'll send an SOS to the world. I'll send an SOS to the world. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets my message in a bottle, yeah. Message in a bottle, yeah. A message in a bottle, whoa. A message in a bottle, yeah. And the outro is just the main riff until the end. So you hear it clearly about 12 times, and then it starts to fade out. Sending out an SOS, sending out an SOS. I'm sending out an SOS. I'm sending out an SOS. 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 So that's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.